This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Step inside to find a spacious, open floor plan designed for entertaining. Not 2, but 3 private en suites, offering comfort and privacy, while 2 living areas and a cozy office or 4th bedroom provide versatile spaces. The kitchen boasts stunning granite countertops and designer hardware/fixtures, enhancing both beauty and functionality. You'll also enjoy the luxury of 2 private patios, an above-ground pool and deck, and a hot tub perfect for relaxation, all within the confines of your own outdoor haven. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.